to be wholly owned by Shell. Of course, owned by Royal Dutch Shell. With the deal, Greenlock's 10 energy tech becomes the foundation for Shell's expansion of e-mobility in Royal Dutch Shell. With the deal, Greenlock's 10 energy tech becomes the foundation for Shell's expansion.
Done stuff, big stuff, legit stuff. So, yeah, I'm excited.
It's pretty
to watch
exciting.
that.
If they can make their stuff happen, it'll be a game changer.
Yes, that's awesome. That'll be good.
Yeah,
Right.
that's what we're talking about. And then you're earning money at work, and then your app probably goes off. Goes bzz, bzz. Hey, you just earned $25 driving some guy to the airport. You're like, sweet, awesome. I didn't have to do any work.
Right.
And now my car just drives back to me.
So we showed this graph here that shows.
As a color. The other possible consideration is perhaps the cost of materials is simply lower with the solid white paint. That seems less likely to me. If that were the case, it seems like Tesla probably would have just gone with the solid white up front as the base color. The
Battery protection and longevity update so that it doesn't result in a big range difference for those people. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it because, of course, sometimes Tesla says things like that and nothing happens. So. A Reddit user called Wogs tested out versus from a 5% to 80% charge versus the previous version of the update, and he got a 20% faster charge rate, where it gets to a higher over 120 kilowatt charge rate faster, and then it maintains it also for a little bit longer at that 144 for 45 kilowatt charge rate. Around 4 instead of after 41 kilowatt 41% state of charge, it would drop. Instead now it's closer to
a first-hand report on the Tesla pickup. So that was Elon on Twitter this week, but plenty more Tesla news to go. First up, I know I have a lot of California listeners, so this story is for all of you. California might triple the state's electric vehicle cash rebate from $2,500 that it's Assemblyman Phil Ting's bill. Let's just get right to it. He tweeted about a ton of stuff on the video game front. He noted that Cuphead, which of course he was revealed in my interview with him, surprising me very much.
With the application of the car in a business model doesn't.
When you're able to remove a human from driving, it can just massively increase the margin you'll be able to make on the product. And if you're gonna get people.
Absolute bodger. That's a phone if ever I saw one.